Guys, so in this video, I'll give you a basic introduction about programming, what is Python, and why you should learn Python. So we can obviously, search on Google and find out the formal definition like this, but let's actually understand what is programming. So in real life also, we may communicate with our friends and family using some language, right? Like English, Hindi, French, Spanish, anything like that. So what if we want to communicate with the computer system? We use programming languages for that, and this whole process is called programming. So in real life also, like if I feel hungry, I might ask my mom to, cook something for me, and that's like an input from my side. And what she cooks for me is kind of an output from her side, right? In similar manner, if we give some input to the computer and we expect an output for that, the instructions that we provide or the input that we provide, that is through some programming language. And this whole process in a way is called programming. So it occurs in one or more languages which differ by application, domain, and programming model. So here it means that if I want to create some software, I would probably go for Java. If I want to create some web application or website, I'll probably go with HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. And in similar manner, if I want to create something related to machine learning or data science, I might want to try out with Python. So with each application or with each domain, the programming languages also change. So that's what this point means. Now I'll go through some programming examples. So I hope you see this lady with a stack of books. Okay, so it's a huge stack of books, and these are the books which contain the whole code which was written to create a software which actually took humans to the moon. Okay, so that's the power of programming, that it can actually take humans to the moon. All right, so I hope you can calculate the potential or see the potential of programming. So in this photo, it is a store which rents out or sells the CDs or DVDs of various movies or shows. So in my time, like when I was a child, these shops used to exist, but this has been totally wiped out by Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, and various platforms like these. So this is another example of applications because Netflix, Amazon Prime, they all are applications like mobile app or websites. So they all are made using programming languages only. The third example is games, software, and applications that we use daily. So we all might have played PUBG or games like Mario in our childhood. So all those games and softwares like MS Excel, MS Paint, so stuff like that is also made using programming languages. Next is connectivity with friends through social networking. So that all includes Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. So this is also an example of programming only because you create various websites and apps, and in them also you create various algorithms for maybe recommendations and all. So this is also a very huge example of programming. Now what is Python? So Python is a general purpose programming language. Like you can literally make almost everything with this. You can use Python for making web apps, mainly for the backend purpose, and you can also use it for desktop application and even mobile application. Third reason, which is obviously one of the main reasons why Python has gained the popularity so much nowadays, is data science or machine learning. Now let's see why you should learn Python. So Python is perfect for rookies if you are just a beginner in Python. So it's a good language to start with. Even I started with Python as my first language. Second is that it has a huge community. So a lot of developers use Python for coding, and therefore, if you have some problem or issue with your own code, you are facing some error, so you can easily search on Google on websites like Stack Overflow or Quora, and you can probably find the solution for the same because there are so many people using this programming language, and a lot of people, post blogs or post solution to various errors or issues that you might face. So career opportunities is the third point, and obviously machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, these are few fields which are really peaking nowadays, and Python is actually used for these fields. So obviously career opportunities are great in Python. Python can also be used for web development, as I told you earlier, and mainly for the backend purpose. So that's another reason why you might learn Python. Sixth reason is Raspberry Pi. So for those who do not know what's Raspberry Pi, it's something like a small motherboard, and using it you can make your own computer system at a very small level basically, and it's basically for mainly learning purpose, but nowadays a lot of applications are there for Raspberry Pi as well, and Python can be used for its development. Seventh reason is a lot of startups and companies are using Python as well, and in the next slide we will see the top companies or startups which are actually using this language. So here are some famous companies that use Python. So companies like NASA, YouTube, Google, Netflix, Instagram. So all these are using Python. Here are some reasons in this video which I have told you why you should learn Python. So stay tuned for this whole playlist, and I'll be coming up with Python basics in this playlist. And if you want application based videos as well, which will be based on various Python packages, etc., then please subscribe my channel and also like, share, and comment. Thanks, guys.